Artificial intelligence often feels like magic. You type a question and an answer appears. You upload a photo and the system recognizes what's inside. You speak and your phone understands you. But what is really happening behind the scenes? In this video, I'll explain how AI actually works in simple terms, without complicated math and without technical jargon. Modern artificial intelligence is not a brain. It is not conscious, and it does not understand the world like humans do. At its core, modern AI is a system that learns patterns from data and uses those patterns to make predictions. That idea is the foundation of almost all modern AI systems. Prediction might sound simple, but it is extremely powerful. When an AI predicts the next word in a sentence, it can generate text. When it predicts what object is in an image, it can recognize faces or animals. When it predicts unusual behavior, it can detect fraud or security threats. So the real question is not, can AI think? The real question is, can AI predict accurately? And that depends on how it learns. The way AI learns is through a process called training. Training means showing the AI a large amount of data and letting it practice. At the beginning, the AI makes random guesses. Most of those guesses are wrong. Each time the AI makes a mistake, the system measures how wrong it was and adjusts itself slightly. This process repeats again and again, sometimes millions of times. Over time, the AI becomes better at recognizing patterns and making useful predictions. Inside an AI system are many internal settings, often called parameters. You can imagine these parameters as thousands or even millions of tiny knobs. During training, the system constantly adjusts these knobs to reduce errors. This is why training can take a long time and requires powerful computers. Now let's talk about an important difference. Training an AI model is slow and expensive. Using a trained model is fast. When you ask an AI a question, it is not learning anymore. It is using what it learned earlier to generate an answer. This stage is called inference. Inference is what happens when the AI is already trained and is responding to new input. Many modern AI systems are built using something called neural networks. A neural network is a type of model designed to learn complex patterns from data. It is inspired by the idea of neurons, but it is not a real brain. For language-based AI, text is first converted into numbers. These numbers represent relationships between words, meaning, and context. The model then predicts what comes next, one piece at a time. By repeating this prediction process, the AI can generate full sentences and even long explanations. However, this does not mean the AI truly understands language. It is predicting what looks likely based on patterns it learned during training. This is also why AI can sometimes sound confident and still be wrong. Another critical factor in how AI works is data quality. AI systems learn from the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, the AI can become biased. If the data is outdated, the AI can give outdated answers. If the data contains errors, the AI can learn those errors. This is why building reliable AI systems requires careful data selection, testing, and monitoring. Finally, it's important to understand that AI is not one single thing. AI is a toolbox. Some AI systems classify information, some generate text or images, some recommend content, some detect patterns or optimize decisions. Machine learning is a major part of AI, but not all AI systems work in the same way. To summarize, how AI works can be explained in a few clear steps. First, data is collected. Second, a model is chosen. Third, the model is trained by making predictions and adjusting itself. Finally, the trained model is used to make predictions on new data. Once you understand this process, AI becomes much less mysterious. If you want simple and clear explanations of modern technology, subscribe to AI and Tech Explained.